Okay, we are going to discuss about the analysis of discrete control system. Okay, we are directly analyze the digital control system using the example. Okay, it is easier to understand. That's why I directly go for the example. So here the question is find the unit step response for the first order temperature control system having the transfer function of the plant as Gs is nothing but 4 by S plus 2, and this is the block diagram of the control system. That Rs is input, Es is error. Here we use a sampler. Here the output of the sampler is E star S. Then the sampling time is t equals to 0.1 second. The zero order hold, here we use the zero order hold 1 minus e to the power minus ts by s, and the plant is 4 by s plus 2. Okay, and unity feedback system, it is an unity feedback system. So we did this type of examples in the previous class. Okay, so we can directly write that the system output from the pulse transfer function, we can directly write that the system output Cz is nothing but Gz by 1 plus Gz Rz, as Hz is 1. Now, what is Gz? Gz is nothing but Z transform of 1 minus e to the power minus st by s into 4 by s plus 2. That is the multiplication of these two term. Okay, now if we find out the z transform of this, that we get z minus 1 by z into xz. We take this as xz. Okay, now again we find out the z transform of xz is equals to 4 by s into s plus z. Now what is the value of xt? Xt is nothing but Laplace inverse of 4 by s into s plus 2. Here there is a mistake, here s is multiplied. Okay, so to after doing the partial fraction, we get 4 by s into s plus 2 is nothing but 2 by s minus 2 by s plus 2. Okay, so from here we get the xt is nothing but 2 into 1 minus e to the power minus 2t. Now from here this expression we find out the z transform, that is xz. Now xz is nothing but z transform of xt, that is 2 into z transform of 1t minus z transform of e to the power minus 2t, that is 2 into z by z minus 1. As we know, the z transform of unit step response is z by z minus 1, and for e to the power minus 2t is nothing but z by z minus e to the power minus 2t. After simplification, we get the value of xz is nothing but 2z by z minus 1 into 1 minus e to the power minus 2t by z minus e to the power minus 2t. Okay, now we substitute the value of xz in the formula of zz, or in the value of zz, and we get that Gz is nothing but 2 into 1 minus e to the power minus 2t by z minus e to the power minus 2t. Okay, now in the question it is given that the sampling time is nothing but 0.1 second. So we put the value t is equals to minus, sorry, t is equals to 0.1 second. Okay, so Now we get Gz is nothing but 0.362 divided by Z minus 0.819. Okay. Now, thus a closed loop transfer function for the sampling time period t is equals to 0.1 second is GCZ. What is GCZ? GCZ is nothing but CZ by RZ. Okay. Here GZ is nothing but CZ by R star Z. Okay. Here GCZ is nothing but CZ by RZ, that is GZ by 1 plus GZ, that is 0.6362 divided by Z minus 0.457. We know that RZ is nothing but Z transform of 1 by S, that is Z by Z minus 1. Okay. So CZ is nothing but 0.362 divided by Z minus 0.457 into RZ, and we have put the value of RZ is equal to Z by Z minus 1. Okay. Now, what is the value of CZ by Z? CZ by Z is nothing but 0.362 divided by Z minus 1 into Z minus 0.457. After partial fraction, we find that CZ by Z is nothing but this. Okay. So, we get CZ is nothing but 0.667 into Z by Z minus 1, multiplying this Z here again, minus Z by Z minus 0.457. Okay. Now if we take the inverse Z transform, gives the response at the sampling instant k as C of kt is nothing but 0.667. This is for 1 means unit step minus a to the power k, that means 0.457 to the power k. Okay. And for this response, if we put the value of kt is equals to 0.1, then the value of ckt and corresponding ct, we find this value after putting the value of kt 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 1, 1.52. Correspondingly, we get the value of C of kt and ct. Okay. Now we have, if we have compared the response, okay, then Cs by Rs is nothing but 4 by S plus 2 for the closed loop transfer function only. Okay. Now Ct is nothing but 4 by S plus 6 minus 1 by S, that is this, and we get the curve between Ct and T is like this. Okay. In the next example, we have to find out the time response of the system shown below. Okay. Here Rs is 1 by S, there is a sampler Es E star S, 0 order hold, and the value of the plant is 1 by S into S plus 1. Okay. So similar to the previous example, we have to find out Cz, then Gz, which is nothing but Z minus 1 by Z, Z transform of 1 by Z square into S plus 1. Okay. Then we find the value of Gz is nothing but 0.3680 plus 0.2464 divided by Z square minus 1.368Z plus 0.368. Okay. This expression we find from the previous example. Okay. Now we have to find out the closed loop transfer function. Tz is nothing but Gz by 1 plus Gz. Okay. So since Rz is what? Rz is z by z minus 1. Then Cz, what is the value of Cz? Cz is nothing but z by z minus 1 into this. Now, after simplifying this, means dividing the numerator by the denominator, we find the value of Cz is nothing but this. Okay. Now the final value of C of this is for up to infinity. Okay. Therefore, the final value C of nt we get by the final value theorem. That means limit of n tends to infinity, C of n capital T is nothing but limit of z tends to 1, z minus 1 Cz. Okay. After putting this, we get the putting the value of z, putting z is equals to 1 in this expression, we get that the equation becomes 1, the value becomes 1. Okay. Now we can find or obtain the sample data system in the form of state variable. Okay. So the state variable formulations. So we have already studied for the continuous LTI system that the state variable representation of the dynamics of the system can be written by the vector matrix differential equations as x dot is equals to ax plus bu, and the output y is nothing but cx plus du, where the state x is a state vector and it is an n cross 1 vector, y is an output vector and y is m cross 1. M is an u is an input vector which is r cross 1. A is a system matrix which is n cross n. B is an input coupling matrix which is n cross r. B is an input coupling matrix, C is an output coupling matrix which is the order of m cross n, and D is an input output coupling matrix and it is an order of m cross r. Okay. So now for the linear time, this is for the linear continuous linear time invariant system. Okay. Now for the linear time invariant discrete multivariable system. This is for the continuous system, LTI continuous system, and this is for the LTI discrete system. What happened? Now vector matrix, here we use the vector matrix differential equation. Okay. But in case of discrete system, we use the vector matrix difference equation, which is given by x of k plus 1 is nothing but equals to a of xk. Instead of here dot, we use x of k plus 1 equals to x of ak plus b of uk, and the output y of k is nothing but c of xk plus d of uk. Okay. Now we are going to an example for more elaboration. Okay. So the question is, it is desired to find the state variable representations of the SISO, means the single input, single output, linear time invariant discrete system, represented by the difference equations y of k plus 2 minus 1.7 y
ম্যাম কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
কিছু শোনা যাচ্ছে না ম্যাম।
শোনা
ও
যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ, মিউট করে।
কখন থেকে শুনতে পাসনি?
অনেকক্ষণ ধরে ম্যাম।
সেটা তো বলতে হবে রে বাবা, আমি তো বুঝতেই পারছি না। মিউটটা কি অনই হচ্ছে না নাকি? এইটা দেখেছিস এই
না কেউ
এক্সাম্পলটা?
মনে হয় কেউ মনে হয় করে দিচ্ছে।
এক্সাম্পলটা শুধু ব্লু কালার ইয়েলো কালারের দিয়েছেন, ওটাই দেখা গেছে, আর কিছু শোনা যায়নি।
এইটা বোঝা গেছে?
না না, এটা শুনতেই পাইনি তো।
দাঁড়া বলে দিচ্ছি। আমি তো আনমিউট করেই পড়াচ্ছিলাম, মিউটটা হলো কি করে তাহলে?
অটোমেটিক্যালি হয়ে যাচ্ছে। কালকে এটা আমাদেরও প্রবলেম হয়েছিল শ্যামল স্যারের সময়, বারে বারে মিউট হয়ে যাচ্ছিল।
তোরা কিছু মানে হাত দিস না কিন্তু, ঠিক আছে? এইটা বোঝা গেছে? এই জায়গাটা স্টেট ভেরিয়েবল ফর্মুলেশনটা বুঝেছিস?
ঠিক আছে।
এটা শোনা গেছিল?
না ম্যাম
নাকি বলে দেবো?
শোনা যায়নি,
এটাকে
আরেকবার
একটু
রিপিট
রিপিট করে দিন, ওখান থেকেই বলে দিন।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। We have already studied in case of continuous LTI system the state variable representation of the dynamics of the system can be written in the vector matrix differential equation in the form of vector matrix differential equation. That means there must be a derivative part, that is x dot t is nothing but ax plus bu and the output y is nothing but cx plus du. Okay, where the state x is nothing but the state vector which is a order of n cross 1. Y is a output vector. হ্যাঁ
ম্যাম
বলছিস?
কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে না, খালি ডিসপ্লেতে কম্পিউটারের স্ক্রিনটা আসছে, আর কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে না তো।
বাকিটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম
দেখা
দেখতে পাচ্ছি,
যাচ্ছে তো।
দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
তাহলে সঞ্চিতার কিছু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে।
কেউ দেখ ভিডিও অন করেছে কিনা, মিউট করে দেখ।
ভিডিও
দেখা যাচ্ছে ম্যাম।
ঠিক আছে আমি বলছি। y is an
ওপরে দেখ
output
একটা মাইক। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে ম্যাম, বলুন আপনি।
y is an output vector which is a order of m cross 1. Okay, u is an input vector which is an order of r cross 1 and a is a system matrix which is n cross n. B is a input coupling matrix which is a order of n cross r. C is the output coupling matrix which is the order of m cross n and D is the input output coupling matrix, okay, which is m cross r. Now in case of linear time invariant discrete multivariable system, the dynamics of the system can be represented by the vector matrix difference equation. In case of LTI continuous system, we can express the state space by means of vector matrix differential equation, but in case of the LTI discrete multivariable system, the dynamics of the system can be expressed by the vector matrix difference equation, and here the equation becomes x of k plus 1 is equals to ax plus buk and the output yk is equals to c of xk plus d of uk. Okay, so now we are going to discuss an example for more elaboration. Okay, so In the question it is desired to find the state variable representation of the linear time invariant discrete system represented by the difference equation, which is given by y of k plus 2 minus 1.7 y k plus 1 plus 0.72 y k is equals to u k. Okay. Similar to continuous LTI system, in case of continuous LTI system, we take yk is equals to x1, y of k plus 1 is equals to x1 dot. Okay. Instead of x1 dot, here we take yk is equals to x1k. Y of k plus 1 is nothing but x of k plus 1, which is x2k. And as it is given that y of k plus 2 is equals to x2 k plus 1. Here we stopped here because in the difference equation we see that the term is x of k plus 1. Okay. So here it is the term is y of k plus 2, which can be expressed in terms of x2 k plus 1. Okay. So this is nothing but uk. This minus going to the right side and becomes plus 1.7 x2k minus this term going to the right side and become minus 0.72 x1k. Now from this equation we can say that x1k plus 1 is nothing but x2k and x2k plus 1 is nothing but minus 0.72 x1k plus 1.7 x2k plus uk, and the output yk is nothing but x1k. So from these two equation we can find out the vector matrix difference form, that is x of k plus 1, and this xk means x1k plus 1 and x2k plus 1. So we put here for x1k plus 1 0, and for x2k this is 1 1. Okay. So this row is completed. Now for the second x2k plus 1, for x1 this is minus 0.72 minus 0.72, and for x2 this is 1.7. Okay. And in case of x1 there is no uk, that's why we put 0, and for x2 there is only one uk, that is this is 1. So it is a column matrix. Okay. Now so this is A and the B is a column matrix of 0.1 is a column matrix and the value is 0 1, and the output yk is nothing but xk, which xk, c into xk. What is the value of c? C is a row matrix and the output only consists of x1, so 1 0 xk. Okay. So this becomes c of xk plus d of uk. As we know that in case of continuous LTI system, the transfer function gs becomes c into si minus a whole inverse b plus d. Okay. Again here also it is that d is 0. Okay. So we can eliminate this part. Now here in case of discrete time systems, similar to the continuous time system, S is only replaced by Z. So ZZ is nothing but C into ZI minus A inverse B plus D. So as here D is equals to 0, we can eliminate this part. After simplifying this, we get that ZZ is nothing but 1 by Z square minus 1.7 Z and plus 0.72. Here we all the values of A, B, C we know, and I is an unity matrix, identity matrix. Okay, identity matrix of order A. That means 1001. Okay. Now this example can be formulated by the signal flow graph. Okay, so this is yk is nothing but is x1k, yk is equals to x1k, so there is a gain of 1 into x1. Okay, now this is uk. So uk, what uk is a sum up of, uk is go to here, x2 is x2k plus 1 is nothing but uk plus 1.7 x2k minus 0.72 x1k. Okay, so here we take x1k, this is x2k, and this is x2k plus 1. Actually again x2k is nothing but x1k plus 1. Okay, so this is a z inverse, and x2k plus 1 is x1k in is a multiplied by a gain of minus 0.72. Okay, now x2k multiplied a gain of 1.7, so here this must be 1.7. Okay, this arrow must be 1.7 and is a summation of uk. Okay, now this signal flow graph can be again represented by using the block diagram, a delay for t. Here t is nothing but z inverse, so this is yk, this is uk, this is x2k, and this is x2k plus 1. So x2k plus 1 is nothing but uk minus 0.72 x1k plus 1.7 into x2k. Okay, so the characteristics equation in case of continuous LTI system is mod of Si minus A is equals to 0, but in case of LTI discrete system, the characteristics equation is mod of Zi minus A is equals mod, sorry, this is called the determinant of Zi minus A is equals to 0. Okay, so this is a, for a second we can discuss for the second order system. Now if we consider a fourth order system with a transfer function given by this, so the question is determine the an equivalent state space form, both state and output equation for the system and the Jordan canonical form for the system state equation. So Gz is Yz by Uz is nothing but this. So we divide Yz by x1z. Therefore, we have to must have to multiply x1z by u1z. This is known as the numerator part, and this is known as the denominator part. Okay, so this is a numerator part and this is the denominator part. Let we consider about the denominator part. Okay, so here we consider the denominator part, and in the discrete time domain this becomes x1k4 is equals to minus x1k plus 3 plus 3 x1k plus 2 minus 4 x1k plus 1 plus 2 x1k plus uk. Okay, at first we have to multiply these. Okay, and this is uz and taking common, and let and assume that z is equals to x1k. Okay, and getting all the things, okay, from this equation. So now from here we again consider that x1 k plus 1 is nothing but x2k. x2k plus 1 is nothing but x3k. x3k plus 1 is nothing but x4k. Okay. So all we are putting the value of this in this equation, we get x4k plus 1 is nothing but 2x1k minus 4x2k plus 3x3k minus x4k plus uk. Okay. So from these four equation we can write in vector form, that is x1k plus 1, this is nothing but xk. Okay, xk plus 1. So x1k plus 1, x2k plus 1, x3k plus 1, x4k plus 1, and this is x1k, x2k, x3k, x4k. So from the first equation we see that x1k plus 1 equals to x2k, that means we put here only 1 and the other terms are 0. For x2k plus 1 is nothing but x3k, so we put for x3 equals to 1 and the other terms are 0, and x3k plus 1 is nothing but x4, so we put here 1 and the other term 0. From the last equation, x4k plus 1 is nothing but 2 of x1k, that's why we put here 2, minus 4 of x2k, that's why we put minus 4, 3 x3k, that is here we put 3, and minus of x4k, that is we here put minus 1. Okay, this type of matrix is known as a Jordan canonical matrix. Okay, means the upper, this is an upper triangular matrix, and the last without the last row, and for plus this is A, and for B is nothing but in there is no element of u, no element of u, no element of u, but in the last equation we get that plus uk, that means 0 0 0 1 uk. Okay, now next we consider the numerator part for finding out the output. Okay, so yz is not by x1z is nothing but z3 z cube minus 2 z square plus 2z minus 1. Okay, that is x1 k plus 3 plus x1 k plus 2 plus 2x1 k plus 1 minus x1 k. Now we already know that this means, okay, minus x1k plus 2x2k minus 2x3k plus x4. Okay, so from here we get the output matrix yk is equals to minus 1 2 minus 2 1 xk. Okay, so y is nothing but c of xk plus d of uk. Here we know that uk d is equals to 0, so we can eliminate d of uk. Okay, so this is the state space representation of discrete time linear time invariant discrete system with multivariable input. Okay.